What's up guys, Amazon Rural Reviews, and today I'm doing a review on my new shower head. This is a 20 by 20 gigantic shower head. I got it from Amazon and I'm going to just show you guys how it works and how to install it for your bathroom. This is a regular bathroom with a regular shower like output. And the shower head goes up onto the ceiling. So you mount it to the ceiling because it's way too big to just be mounted straight from that pipe, because there's no way. It's just too heavy. It weighs about, I would say about 15 pounds or so. And it can be complicated to install. So in this video I'm going to help you guys navigate that and show you guys how to install it. I already did all the hard work for you. Now I'm just going to show you how you guys can do it for yourself. And if you're interested in this shower head, I'm going to put down in the description below where you can get it on Amazon. Alright, so first of all, this shower head, you're going to need 2 water hoses. It comes with 2 water hoses, so water lines, but they're way too short for my specific shower head, especially since my output is on the side. Maybe if you have a top output, you can use the ones that it comes with. But I bought some extra ones. I bought one at Home Depot, and then the other one I bought it on Amazon. I'll put down in the description below as well where I got the other one. One I got at Home Depot, and it wasn't as long as the one I could get on Amazon. So you could get both on Amazon if you want, but one is shorter than the other. And you have 2 outputs, or inputs I guess you could say, that go into the shower head from the top. You got one on this side and then one on the other side. And one goes and works the water, I guess, on all the different little, I guess you can call them sprinkler systems that go down for the waterfall, for the water system, and it brings all the water down. And then the other one works the LED light. So this does have LED lights, and it is pretty cool. It has like different color temperature lights, so it changes depending on the temperature. The color changes. I think blue is like cold and green is kind of like medium, and then red is like super hot. But it'll change randomly too, just depending how cold or hot the temperature is for the water. So yeah, you plug these into the shower head, into the input or the output, whatever you want to call it. And then on this side I also got this little device right here on Amazon, so I could connect both hoses at the same time. So that's how that works. So the LEDs won't work if you don't have both. If you just have one, the water will still work, but you want to make sure you cover this, because last time I did it without a plug on there and there was water all up on the top part, which is bad because it could oxidate the shower head, and I didn't catch it till the next day. So you want to make sure that you pay attention to that, and just I'll go ahead and put both hoses, that way you get the LED lights as well. Anyway, let's see what else I need to tell you guys. I'm going to show you guys at the beginning how it works, and then at the end how it works as well, how the shower head looks. It's very cool. I have it on my Airbnb, in my Airbnb that I have. I also have a channel on YouTube called Airbnb from Home. It's another different channel that I show how to run Airbnb from your house. So that's a pretty cool channel if you're interested in kind of entrepreneurial stuff and maybe starting to make income from your home by creating an Airbnb. So I guess I'll put the channel on the description down below if you're interested in starting an Airbnb or stuff like that, entrepreneurship. And it's called Airbnb from Home. I'll put down under the description below. But let's get this started so you guys can kind of see what it looks like when it's on. And I'll also show you guys how to install it after this section. So there is running. You can see the LED lights, the blue LED lights, and it is just super cool. It looks quite awesome. See the LED lights kind of want to change. It feels great taking a shower. So like a waterfall shower. You want to make sure you cover it too so the water doesn't come out. There it is. The water's cold right now, but it'll change color in a little bit. See, it's changing green. That means the water's kind of a medium temperature. And red, that means the water's hot. It's kind of going hot, cold, hot, medium. Anyways guys, I'm going to show you how to install it here on the next portion. I don't know if I'm going to put this at the beginning or at the end of the video. But this is Amazon Roll Reviews. Thanks for watching guys. I'll keep making content for y'all and see you on the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so let's get to the installation of the shower head. I was going to do a tripod and do it all professional, but I think you guys can get a better idea by me just holding the camera and showing you guys. So I cut out a piece of plywood. You can get this at Home Depot, any home improvement store or tool store, whatever you want to call it. And I cut out a piece of plywood to the exact size of the shower head, which for me was 20 by 20 on the square all the way around. 20, 20, 20, 20. And then on top, the shower head comes with these 4 poles right there. You can see them. And the hard part with this is actually being able to tell exactly where to put those poles, like where to know where to put the anchors on there. So the easy way that I did was just, like I said, cut out the shower head into this plywood, and then on the sides I measured, and it measured 5 inches on each corner. So I just measured it 5 inches, 5 inches, and then 5 inches in, so I met at the middle, and I did that for all 4 sides of where the poles were going to be located. And then I grabbed my anchors, which comes with these little 2 little anchors that you just put right there, and then you screw that pole in. Well, we put like a little cap first. So you put the anchor, then you put a cap on it, and then you screw the pole into it. And the way I did that is, once I found where the poles were gonna go, I put them in there. I drilled them with a longer screw, and then it also comes with some anchors in case you're gonna put into drywall. If you can find wood in the back on the stud on the top, it'd be better, but it comes with some anchors that you can use, and it worked just fine for me, so it seems pretty sturdy. So you find where the anchor is gonna go, you screw it, not too much, just a little bit, until you find the exact place where it's gonna go. But you're gonna screw it into the wood so you know where they're gonna go on top of the wall. So I'll explain that in a little bit. But once you do that, you can kind of just set up the whole shower head on the wood just to make sure that each anchor is in the proper position for the poles. And once you do that, you're gonna just set up the shower head and see if it all matches perfectly. If it does, great. Take off the poles, keep the anchors, keep the screws in there. You don't have to go all the way in with the screws just yet. But once you do that, you're using this piece of wood because it's much lighter than the shower head, obviously, and so we can find the exact place where it's gonna go because it's the exact same dimensions of the shower head. And you're gonna grab your piece of wood with the anchors and the screws halfway in, and you're gonna find a place on top of your ceiling where you're gonna put the shower head, where it's gonna match perfectly with the bottom and where the sink or the drainage area is. And once you do that, you're gonna screw them all the way into the wall. And once you screw them all the way into the wall, you have your different where the anchors are gonna go, the exact position. And so it's gonna just make sure that it just kind of hooks all the way to the ceiling. You're gonna have your plywood on the ceiling, And once you make the holes, you can unscrew the holes and take the plywood off. Find where the holes are, take the anchors off the plywood, and put the anchors on the ceiling. Use your anchors and everything, and put the metal piece, I'm calling the metal piece anchors, but use the little white anchors, just put them in the ceiling, make sure that they're nice and secure, and then screw it with the screws that it came with. Screw the metal circles, which I'm calling anchors, onto the ceiling, and then you're going to put the cap, which the cap is the black round piece that you see right there, that's the cap. You're gonna put that on there, and then you're gonna screw the pole in, and you make sure there's also like a little I guess like a hole that you can put on. How can I explain it? So like here, I'll show you guys. So on the top right here, it's something that you can move around and you can screw onto the actual shower head. So you want to do that. You're gonna need an extra person to hold it up while you screw it into the shower head. So 2 people you're gonna need, because this thing is not very light and it's very awkward to hold, especially you're gonna put it on the ceiling. So once you do that, you're pretty much smooth sailings from here. You're just gonna grab your pipes, your water lines, and just connect everything to each other. And from there you should be gravy. Make sure that it's secure. And that's it, guys. That's how you install this shower head onto the ceiling. I hope I didn't ramble too much and made the video too long. But I hope this video is useful to you. Like I said, on the description down below is a link to the shower head and where you can get it on Amazon, in case you're interested and want to check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and do a cool video ending session, I guess you can call it. Anyways, guys, actually I already did that out. I already turned it on before. Anyways, guys, this has been Amazon Real Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.